Feeling anxious, stressed, or both? Did you know that drinking fresh juices can help you get out of the funk? This is because juicing fruits and vegetables increases your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which may reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression, and can even improve the efficacy of antidepressant drugs. Hey there! Welcome again to the Healthy Diet Daily YouTube channel. If you're feeling down, cheer up. Try these easy and delicious juice recipes for anxiety. Carrot and spinach juice combo. Both carrots and spinach are good sources of magnesium, a mineral that is crucial for healthy muscle and nerve function. Magnesium is also proven to provide therapeutic effects, playing a beneficial role in helping manage anxiety and panic attacks. Magnesium deficiency increases your body's susceptibility to stress too. For this recipe, you'll need 6 medium carrots, peeled and chopped, 1 large bunch spinach, rinsed and chopped, 1.5 cups of water, 1 celery stalk, and the juice of 1/2 lemon. Step 1. Place carrots, celery, and water in a blender and blend until pureed. Step 2. Add spinach and lemon juice to the mixture. Blend again until smooth. Step 3. Pour the prepared puree through a strainer or a cheesecloth to extract the juice. Discard the pulp. And Step 4. Pour prepared juice into serving glasses and serve. Drink it immediately to get maximum nutritional benefits. Apple berry juice. The B vitamin complex, made up of B vitamins such as B1, B5, B6, B12, and folate, also play an important role in helping the body fight against anxiety, depression, and stress. B1 and B6 help the body control cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone by the way, while B5 and B12 boost your energy levels. The B vitamins work as a team to help keep anxiety at bay. Step 1. Put the apple, blueberries, and fennel through your juicer. And Step 2. Stir in the lemon juice. Serve immediately. Classic fresh pineapple juice. We all know that vitamin C gives you energy and helps defend your body from viruses. But did you know that they're also crucial to helping you fight off the physical and physiological effects of anxiety? Studies show that those who take 1,000 milliliters of vitamin C supplement a day tend to have a less severe reaction to stressful situations compared to those who took a lower dose. Step 1. Add the pineapple slices, water, sugar, and black salt in a blender. Blend until smooth. Step 2. Using a fine mesh strainer, strain the juice. Use the back of a spoon to press the juice out. Discard the pulp. And finally, Step 3. Pour juice into serving glasses. Add a few ice cubes and garnish with some mint leaves if preferred.